Hey guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually set up and use a jam session with your friends on Spotify. It's very easy and you can listen and make playlists together when having a party or you guys are together. So simply open up your Spotify application and go to the top left corner where your profile picture appears. Go to the settings and privacy, and from here go to privacy and social. Now from here, you first need to turn on your jam, so simply press learn how, and here get started. Now follow the cues given, so simply go to your settings, open up a Bluetooth and hold your phones together. Now it's very easy, and from there go to the top left corner and go to devices. Now here go to devices right above car in the middle, and here go to the devices menu. Now, once you're in the devices menu, here you can start a jam from your iPhone. It's very easy. Simply press start a jam, and here the jam menu appears. Now you can share this with your friends. So share the link and you can actually do it from there, or simply scan the QR code and here you can start adding songs. Now you can actually invite people and have the chance to let other people change what's playing, so they can actually skip songs or add songs to the playlist. Now it's very easy. This is all you have to do, and now you can start adding songs to the playlist together as friends. It's very easy. If you still get any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I will try my very best to help you. If you still get questions, leave them in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.